Hi, I will show you four lightsaber on Star Wars. I will tell detail first. I'll just let you see the lightsaber first. This one I didn't put the bottles in because it's break. This one is a small one. This lightsaber is my favorite one. This, I just built it. I don't like the real one because when you get hurt, when you got hit, it hurts. It's very good because it's soft. It's made from bottle, and I put the tape to cover it to make it beautiful and make the sound be quiet and don't hurt. I decorated a lot. Please look at my new video and please leave a comment. Bye bye.